So, hello students. Today I'll be starting a new topic, a new discussion. So, this series will be on CSAT, that is numericals, and this topic will be focused on both prelims and mains. So, I'll be doing a couple of questions, like 4 or 5 questions. This question is asked mainly from other examinations such as UPSC, NPSC, etc. And I'll be solving each and every questions and give you a basic idea of how to solve the question easily. And I'll be explaining in Nagamis, so please bear in mind. So this topic will help you in both prelims as well as mains examination, and also the result may be out. So those who are preparing for mains, it will be very helpful for you. So let's get the video started. First question, Baraki Koise. A man walks down the backside of his house straight 25 meters, then turns to the right and walks 50 meters again. Then he walks towards the left and walks 25 meters. If his house faces to the east, what is his direction from the starting point? So, ekta manu aje guje. Tela gori deze guje. A. So, he walks down the back of his house. So, tela gor, suppose itu aje gule do, tela gor la pichi itu aje. So, he will walk 25 meters straight. That is, pichi la gorba 25 meters shideba. So, ini ko A aje gule do, itu B aje. So, itu punji shidai. Itu jide, itia direction to tai, ide side face kureze. Tela matha do. So, from there, he turns to the right. So, yete matha aje gule do, mana direction to kudi ho. Itu left hand ho, itu right hand ho. So, itu side jeshi dai, right hand. Ingana tai 50 meter berashe. So, first to tai 25 meter berashe. It is next to 50 meter berashe. So, itia saishe gule do, tela direction, tela matha do, it is face kureze. Not this side, okay? Because tela matha la direction to change kurse do, tela north to idu, tela suku to idu side size. So, idu la orientation saishe gule do, idu ki ho, idu left ho, or idu right ho. So, from then, he turns to the left and walks 25 meters. So, yediba tela matha yedi size. So, idu right as gule do, idu left ho do. So, it will be this, and this will be 25 meters. Alright, tela next position idu je. If his house faces east, so tela final position idu je. B is idu C is, or idu suppose D is. So, if his house faces east, that means suppose in a direction it was tela house the east. So naturally tela position to west ho. Idu tela opposite or do south ho or do north ho. So idu east aje. To yede west ho, yede south ho, yede north ho. So this direction, idu direction to tigas ro. Tela gordo yede. So it will be northwest direction. So the answer will be northwest direction. So this is the answer, northwest direction. Bujijna? So it all depends on the orientation of your head. So this type of question is asked to see your sense of direction. So inga question de ki correct do. First ekta suppose ekta position ekta disha. Ekta position ekta disha. To uta de tu jaisha. To ita do yete suppose A ba B jise. So this position is your new position. So ita new position to tai matha de to side face kurse. So it will be north here. Similarly, tai idu position aja aru dujde question ba koji ki left jabe. So naturally left idu side ho. To idu. So it will be left. Aru right jabe gule to idu right ho. So right jise. So after this right la position change kora bujde tai kundu jaga de face kura je idu je. So right jeshu gule to tala matha la direction to yede face kuru do. So this will be the north. So tala direction first to north idu deshe, ita to itu je because tai right the face kura je. So if this is north, naturally idu taila left ho aru idu right ho enga. So please bear in mind this question, this type of question. Next, consider the following sequence of numbers and how many odd numbers are followed by odd number in the following sequence. So number dina je 5 1 4 7 3 9 8 5 7 2 6 3 1 5 8 6 3 8 5 2 2 4 3 4 9 6. So question because ki kuntu number ba odd number or odd number repeat hola. So first 5 1 both are odd, so it ekta ase first pair. Next to overlap ho de 1 or 4, 1 to odd ase 4 to even ase, so it will not be overlapping. 4 even 7 odd, it will be 7 or 3, it will be 7 or 3, so duida hoje. Next 3 or 9, 3 or 9 be odd duida, so it will be 3 and 9. 9 or 8 no ki 9 to odd ase 8 to even ase. Similarly 5 or 7 be ekta ase because 5 and 7 are both odd numbers, and 7 2 no 6 2 6 be no 6 3 be no because 6 to ekta even ase. 3 or 1, so 3 or 1 be ekta ase, so ekta hoje. Aru 1 or 5 be ekta odd because both are odd enga. So alag sai shukle to sob odd even odd even odd even ase. So these pairs are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, so choita pair ase, so the answer will be 6. Next question. A is 16th from the left in a row of boys and V is 18th from the right end. G is 11th from A towards the right and 3rd from V towards the right end. How many boys are there in the row? So this question is usually asked to find out the number of boys or girls. Manu kiman ase do each position dio aru idu lai sabte tan bisaribo kiman manu ase. So normally aspirants kan ki kuro bole ta inga line ekta bano exactly inga na aro like count grow boys to. So this method is also not wrong, but I'll show you a very easy way. So ekta straight line ekta banoe और सब लोग position तो map करे. First to A is 16 from the left, so it left ase और it right ase. So A is 16 from the left, so A la position तो ये देबा शुरू हुई ना, suppose ये दी कोई, so A la position ये दे as A, that is from the left it is 16, मानो विशेष दे ये 16 ase. Next to V and V is 18 from the right, so ये देबा ये दे 1 2 3 4 5 इंगा ना last day V la position तो ये दे suppose ये दे as V तो ताई मानो 18th मानो तो V is from the right. Next G is 11th towards the A from A ba luina G do 11th ase and 13th from V towards the right end. So G la position do A ba 11 ase kuch. So since A la position to 16 ase, so G is positioned at 11 from A, that means A la ulop age jana position de ase ekta ide, and 3rd from V towards the right, that means V la 3rd to towards the right ase it is a or 3rd from B, that means V la 1st 2nd 3rd la V do G is from towards the right towards ko do, so it was a position to. So A la do 16th as a position do aro V la do tela do 18 as a, aro g la do ide 3 ase. So first to mon g la position lo kro, that is g la position na left pa luisu kule to 16 ase plus 11 ho. So g la position from left te kiman ase kule to 16 ase aro plus taila ide ba kiman ase ide 11 ase. 16 plus 11 to ide kiman hobo 16 plus 11 is 27. Next g la position right pa, so g la position right pa kiman hobo, that is 18 aro since tai yadi towards the left also to minus 3 hobo, so it will be 15. So total student de kiman hobo bole to 27 plus 15 ho. Since g be count kore ase to mon ekta minus kro 1 ekta, so 27 plus 15 to 42 ase minus 1, so it will be 41. So the answer is 41. Next, and if you're not familiar with this type of question, so you can always make like this a straight line and yedeba count kore, that means a la position to inga tai 16 position to a ase aro from left v la position to 18 ase inga and g la position to third from inga. So with like this you can count and the answer will be the same. Next, the average age of a student, of a teacher and 3 students is 20 years. If all the 3 students are of same age and the difference between the age of the teacher and each student is 20 years, then what is the age of the teacher? So teacher ekta dekhisu ekta teacher ekta ase aro tinta student ase, teacher ekta ase aro tinta student ekta ase, so total 4 jon ase. And since student 4 ta ase, so let teacher to x lobe aro students kan to sob y lobe na. So the average age of a student and 3 of a teacher and 3 student is 20 years. That means mon na jene to age tike man ase teacher la x lobe plus student 3 ta ase aro tangla age to same ase, age alag alag hule to y z a b inga lo pare hule be sob same ase. That means any student to sob age to 12 years ase kule to tan 3 jon hoji kule to 12 into 3 ho, to mon na jene age tike man ase to mon y lo aro student to 3 ta ase divided by kiman manu ase 1 2 3 4, so it will be 4 is equal to kiman hobo 20 ase. It was ekta equation, so x plus 3y is equal to 4 to the 8 80 ase, so itu ekta equation banai first equation do itu ase. So next equation dike ase kule to the difference between the age of the teacher and each student is 20 years. That means age of the teacher la age to x ase kule to aro difference aro student la age mon sob manu same ase to ekta student la lobe y is equal to 20 ase. So itu x is equal to 20 aro itu uta di jeshikule to plus y o so itu question number 2 ase so kitia x la value to daliwa in 1 that is putting value of 2 in 1 that means x plus 3y is equal to 80 ulio mon already x la value bina ase 20 plus y to the substitute kori 20 plus y plus 3y is equal to 80 gotcha so it will be 20 plus 4y is equal to 80 so it will be 4y is equal to 80 minus 20 to 60 oh that is y la value to 60 by 4 ase so mon ki koi teacher la h bichor la that means x la x to teacher la value h ase 20 plus y so 20 plus y la value mon already bichorana ase ide 60 by 4 to itu ingoshikle to answer to 80 plus 60 itu 140 by 4 to itu 35 oh. So the answer will be 35. So next question is a man buys both a car and sold for 3 lakh. If he incurred a loss of 20%, then how much did he spend to buy the car? So the ekta mon ekta gari kinishe de tai gari te kinishe aru tai gari to kiman ba kinishe tai najane mon najane cost price huli tai idu gari to alchi lagise tai model bia dekhola so tai bigger kudije selling price to selling price to tai 3 lakhs pa bigger kurse ita tai aru itu tai since tai la gari bigger kurse to tai 20% loss kaise that means loss idu kiman aje kiman amount aje cost price la tai 20% to minus khaina tai 3 lakh te bigger kurse so ita cb to calculate kora jai so naturally common sense pa ko ke cost price to bishi ho selling price wa kilule tai loss khai jado so already loss percent dina je loss percent to 20% dina je aro selling price to 3 lakh to money the cost price pe sorle so we know that formula ba ki koi ki that cost price is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into selling price it was aro suppose profit ajikule to tai profit by ajikule to 100 by 100 plus profit percent into SPO so since tai loss kaize do mon itu formula chalo so the answer will be 100 divided by 100 minus tai 20% loss kaize into selling price to 3 lakh ho so it will be 100 divided by 80 into 3 lakh so ingoshikule to katibi 00 katibi aro so I'll be doing a bit more in detail the calculation so is equal to 100 tie 80 which is 100 minus 20 aro 3 lakhs ase to 00 to katibi 2 4 is 8 2 5 is 10 2 2 is 4 2 1 is 2 2 5 is 10 aro 2 2 1 is 2 2 7 is 14 2 5 is 10 1 2 3 so 75,000 as to 5 5 the 5 5 2 and 7 5 35 36 37, so it will be 37 and 1 2 3, so it will 3,75,000 taila original gari la price to ar tai 20% loss khaina tai last day 3 lakh te bigger version, so the answer will be 3,75,000. So with this the CSAT question for 5 question has been completed. I'll be continuing this series, so thank you for watching and have a great time.